Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. This is your friend Abhishek, but not a financial advisor. Today I'm recording this video on the 31st of December, so the year is ending. And so the purpose of this channel. Now, let me be honest with you guys. This channel is changing, but it is changing for the better. If you have been following me for just US based stocks, then don't be disappointed. And don't worry, I'm not quitting finance at all, but I'm just pivoting. And I'm here to tell you why. Now, over the time I realized that the biggest part of my channel was focused on US based stocks only, individual stock picks. I did talk from time to time about real estate investing in Germany, real estate tips and tricks, and so on and so forth. But the truth is that just focusing on the US based stocks, I realized that I cannot give all of my knowledge which I have regarding the finance system in Germany and in Europe to my audiences, to my expats who are living in Germany or in Europe. Because we are living in different countries, we have different taxation systems, especially when it comes to ETF investments, different taxes, real estate investments, different taxation systems for individual stocks as well. And I reached a point where I realized that I could not bring so much value to my international viewers, because many of my international viewers who are just visiting my channel for few stocks, for example Cassava Sciences, are not interested anymore in the individual stock videos which I make. So then I realized that it's time to change, because if I cannot provide value to my international audiences, then what's the purpose of the channel? It doesn't serve any purpose, right? So why not to provide knowledge and provide value to the audiences, to the expats in Germany and in Europe, where actually I'm living. And I understand the German financial system inside and out, from capital gains tax, ETFs, real estate especially. So why not to use this knowledge and give to the expats in Germany and the locals in Germany and in Europe? So going forward, this channel now will focus on expats in Germany and locals in Germany and in Europe, including how the financial system really works and how to avoid costly mistakes and how to build that wealth. Not fast money, but wealth, and optimize your finances legally. Of course, I will still talk about individual stocks and analysis of individual stocks, US based stocks as well, because I do believe that analyzing those stocks and giving you the background information about the companies also provide you with the knowledge on how to analyze these stocks individually by yourself. We will also talk about how to begin your investment journey regarding stock market and real estate, because yes, you could create a really good passive income in Europe and in Germany with your real estate investments. And there are really a lot of costly mistakes which nobody talks about, and this is what we will talk about on this channel. So if you subscribed to this channel for stocks and real estate, then don't worry, don't go anywhere. These topics are still gonna be there on this channel, but just with the main focus on how to optimize your wealth in Germany and in Europe. So if you really care about investing, building wealth, and optimizing your finances and having a stable financial foundation, then this is the right place for you guys. So make sure you stick around and subscribe to this channel, because there will be a lot and lots of amazing content coming on this channel with the new year 2026. Because guys, I have a lot of information and knowledge which I have built over the past years by investing in real estate and stock market as well. And we do have a personal group where we discuss about this day in and day out. So all of this is coming with experience, guys, and this is what I would like to share with you guys. So I wish you all guys a very happy and a prosperous new year. I will see you in 2026 with some amazing content, and hope you guys will like it and support me to keep me motivated to bring such amazing content for you guys. For now, signing off guys, happy new year, stay healthy, stay safe, and ciao.